welcome back to Star Stable. We're here with Guardian Rainbow, and I went ahead in Moorland and bought this Western saddle because Royal Beauty is our dressage horse, and I wanted Guardian Rainbow to be a bit more wild because he's a Mustang and a bit more like free. So we're just going to try and finish this quest about building the bridge. So yeah. Okay. Mixing your own cement. If you want to borrow the cement mixer, sure, that would be fine. You can borrow the mixer once a day. I can't allow more than that. We don't want to risk the whole project. I'm sure you understand. Superstition or not, I'm not going to take any chances when we've already come so far in the repairs. Now you're going to mix the cement all at once. Do you remember the steps? Pour the water and cement powder into the funnels on the cement mixer. Then push the button on the machine. Then you can just wait until it stops. The cement should be ready when it's done. Okay. Sure. Okay, let's get off of Guardian Rainbow for that. Okay, so we are getting cement. 1, 2, 3. 3 bags of cement. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. And now we need to go get water. And the first time I did this, when I was a star rider for the 3-day limit, I went all the way back to Moorland, although I didn't even have to. I was very upset. Fill the bucket with water. Here's our water bucket. Now, there you don't need any more water. Okay. We're mixing cement. Dun, dun, dun. Let's take the cement. Okay. So let's give him the cement. Your cement looks great, Emma. Use the mixed cement on the foundation to help stabilize it. Come back tomorrow and I'll lend you the cementer mixer again. If you can't wait until tomorrow, I'm sure you can buy some ready mixed cement from that Crook-Billy bulldozer at the GED building site in Moorland. Normally it takes 3 days, but with the cement, I think it only takes 2 because it comes later. So we need to check that. Okay. We're going to put cement. You pour the cement into the funnel for the foundation. Okay. The bridge is one step closer to being fully repaired. Well done. Okay, well that's good. The bridge is now completely repaired. That was the last repair needed. That means I didn't even have to do the nails. And then, oh well, I can sell them for 20 Jorvik shillings. Yay. Okay, oh, that looks cool, those blocks. Wow, what a magnificent bridge. We did a great job, Emma. Many thanks to you. You know what? To really celebrate the bridge opening, I think we should set off fireworks so that everyone can see that you've finished the bridge. Take the rocket and put it in the bottle on the hill by me, and you'll get to see the splendor of fireworks. Oh my god, fireworks! Oh my god, I love detail and the pants and everything with the detail. Oh my god, that's awesome. Okay, on a hill. So here there's a hill. Here maybe? Ah, there is the bottle. I always wondered what that bottle was for. I'm just gonna get off because it might spook Guardian Rainbow a bit. So we're gonna use the rocket. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, I wish I would have done this during the night. Oh, the bird! The bird is just like, hey, fireworks, awesome. So hey, how did you like that, Guardian Rainbow? Guardian Rainbow looks completely bored. It's funny, sometimes, you know, when you go down a hill, you can't and they always rear. If you go down a hill backwards, they don't like fall. Like I was on a waterfall and I just went down backwards accidentally and it was fine. Excellent, Emma. Now we're done. I'm going to go back to my home in Yarlahim as fast as I can. I just need to clean up here first. Come and visit me in Yarlahim sometime if you're riding past. It's the most beautiful city on Jorvik, if you ask me. I live beside the town hall where our well-respected mayor, Evelyn, has her residence. Wait a minute. Oh my god, and one of the YouTubers, Siri Pixel Biologist, he actually moves everything, but after like a month or two. I just thought of something, Emma. You like horses, don't you? I thought so. I'm pretty clever sometimes. I don't know how I figured that one out. I must have picked up on some very subtle clues about you. You see, Yarlahim is right next to the Jorvik stables. Jorvik stables is the most famous stable in Jorvik, and you just have to go see it. I promise you, you won't regret it. If you see Herman, the guy who runs the stables, give him my best. You need to go now? Okay, I understand. Maybe you should talk to that man waving to you from the other side of the bridge first. Did you see him? Go on, he looks like he has something to say. We'll see you in Yarlahim, Emma. Okay! Oh my god, that's like a hotel or something. Oh my god, we finally unlocked it! Guys, we finally unlocked it! Yes! Awesome! Guardian Rainbow, you should be so honored that I'm using you. You seem happy. Oh my god, we did this! We can see Fort Pinta from here. Awesome! We did this, guys. We did this. Hello, Edfield. Am I hallucinating? No, I don't know. Am I imagining things? A guest! A guest! Welcome to the inn. Oh, so it is like a hotel. What? You aren't interested in coming in right now? You only wanted to know how to get to Jorvik stables? Sigh. My first guest in many years and it was only an illusion. But the bridge is completely fixed now. Is it really true? Ride to the other side of the bridge and back so that I can see that it's really true. Ride! Okay. You heard the man. Are you sure this is safe? I know we built it and all, but... You know... Testing ourselves isn't always the best solution, right? Come on, let's go, girl. Oh, boy. Sorry, boy. Sorry, big guy. Can we jump? Yeah, so that's good. I mean, it's pretty safe. Okay, it's working. My test is working. My test about jumping is working very well. Any horse rider could have just jumped over that bridge, just mentioning that. I mean, like, across from one side to another. Nice! The bridge is indeed repaired. This is fantastic. I am Edfield, the foremost, best-looking, and in actual fact the only innkeeper in the Harvest Counties. Welcome. Well, hello, Edfield. Oh, new faction. You've met Mr. Edfield, the property of Wolf Hall Inn. That's cool. Let's go visit. Why is this trailer blue? There are no active trailers in this area. I'm very confused about this. Like why it's blue and not pink. What is in here? I'm sorry guys, I'm just exploring. I'm very interested in all of this. This is very interesting, guys. This is awesome. So I've been to New Hillcrest before, so what's with, because everybody says, guys, I just unlocked Epona, but Epona's been here for a long time, hasn't it? Paddock Island, isn't that where we send our horses? Oh my god. Forgotten Fields. Now we unlocked everything except Mistfall, the Valley, well, except Mistfall, the Valley of the Hidden Dinosaurs, and Golden Hills. And like these mines. But that's cool, right? That's awesome. I wonder what's gonna happen here. The Mountains of Jorvik. That's interesting. Or the Mountains of Yore. So we are going to leave it at that. And next video, we will actually be helping Maya. And I hope to see you guys there. Bye!